Today I'm taking the WORKPRO 5-tier heavy-duty steel shelving unit. Looks like this is going to be a standard keyhole design, so all we got to do is drop those guys in. It does recommend that we use a mallet to smack those guys in. So here's our shelving. It looks like that is just pressed board. And we've got our legs, our connectors, and we've got our feet. And it does say you can make our standard shelf configuration. We can also make kind of a workbench configuration. So nice that we have that adaptability. So first we're going to grab our legs. We got two of them that are 36 inches and two of them that are 38 inches. So the shorter ones are going to go on the bottom. And I'll start by dropping on the feet. So that just presses in. And it does come with extra feet, just in case you want to do that workbench configuration. I'm going to be making the taller shelving unit. And for the first spot on the shelf, on the front it shows that there's a couple of holes up. On the inside it is basically right on the bottom, so you just kind of choose wherever you want that first shelf to be. If you want to have a little bit of room underneath to where you can put things underneath it, or you just want to protect against flooding or anything like that, then you can put the first shelf a little bit higher. So with this piece we got these two pegs, and you can kind of see how the board is going to sit on top of there. So you want it to be like this, not like this. These are fairly tight, so the mallet is a good idea. I like that they're tight because that means there is less of a chance that this thing is going to wobble free. Of course, after you get it assembled and you start putting weight on there, that's going to pull those down anyway. So nice and simple, no tools are really required. It's just a matter of slotting this guy together. So yeah, very easy, very quick to put together. We are looking at just over 72 inches, so about 72 1/8. I guess the shelf does sit inside a little bit, so that is about 72 inches. From wall to wall, we are looking at 36 inches and a depth of just under 18 inches. About 17 7/8. Okay, and there we go. We have created a heck of a lot more room. Still pretty messy in here, but that is one step closer to being actually usable. See, I got that thing pretty well loaded down, so I'm going to do a little bit with this shelf, but that is holding up with the weight. So overall, that is a very nice shelf.